Hi, welcome to You Can Do It. I'm your host Chris, and today we're going to be installing an anti-tip bracket on this oven. We have a customer that had a home inspection. They're selling their house and the inspector caught them. They just had this oven installed, but the person did not install the anti-tip bracket, and that's for if this door is open. Let's say the oven's on and a child or somebody was to stand on this and there was hot items on the stove, they wouldn't tip over, so, or have scalding hot water burn a child. So we're going to install this and we're going to show you how to do it. So stay tuned. So here's the hardware, the bracket. We're going to open it up and see what they give us here. So we have this U-shaped bracket. They give you a couple lags here, a couple different options for securing the bracket. You could either hit the wall stud, or if you have a wood floor, you can go through these 4 holes here. If you have a tile floor, then you're going to have to get a tile drill bit and pre-drill the hole so you don't crack the tile and drill down through one of these holes. These 2 holes here, or you can use these lags and hit the bottom plate that's in the wall. We'll show you that. So we're going to go for these 2 and maybe 1 in the floor. So let's get to it. So the purpose of this bracket is going to slide on one of the legs. So either you can do this leg or you can do the one on the other. It's a little foot that you can adjust underneath, so it just slides right up underneath there, and it prevents the oven from tilting forward. So there's only one, that's all you need. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to mount this one on the left side in the cavity. So we're going to go ahead and use this Milwaukee Diamond Max it's for porcelain floor tile. We're going to use this bit here to drill the hole into the tile. It's a 5/16. You will want to add a little bit of water to it. Just it makes the drill bit last longer. You can do a dry cut with it, but it just wears it out faster. So using water is ideal. So we're going to go ahead and drill a hole in the floor. So we're going to get it started. Alright, so we're ready to install the oven. We're going to put it back in the cavity and see how we did as far as lining up the foot to the bracket. Alright, it's in all the way. Let's see. Yep, we're in the bracket. And there you go. So thank you for watching.